Morning, dear students. In today's session, I'm going to give you some of the introduction concept about analytics uh, in finance area. Let's go to the session. Business today require timely information so that leaders can make better decision to steer the ship of their business in the right direction. Basically, financial analytics will be focusing on measuring and managing the tangible asset of an organization, which allows for a deeper insight into the financial status of business, and it also provides some opportunities to improve your profitability as well as cash flow and business value in the long term. So, knowing what financial analysis to conduct and what it will measure and how to tell a story using those data findings is all important combination to managing the business uncertainty and reducing the risk. Okay, and it will also help to reduce the risk while making some good decision. Financial analytics also gives you the opportunity to surpass competitors who fall in this area. So, by capturing and monitoring data, the financial analyst can able to make finally a sophisticated, well-informed decision, something the rivals may not possess. So it's time to go beyond the limit of outdated and manual financial analysis, and now it's the time to focus on data, and make some financial analytics by making use of some technology. Okay. So other basic concept which we need to discuss or think about is how the financial analytics will be used for, or what are financial analytics will be used for. So financial analytics play a very key role in establishing a performance management, and business intelligence help any business organization to make accurate business decision, which is related to finance and plan for the future. So this process uses large volume of financial analytic process uses large volume of financial related business data in order to identify the pattern, or in order to identify the trend, and which will be useful for creating some forecast and plan for the various range of scenarios. So in short, to summarize, I can say that it allows finance team members to gain some in-depth knowledge and take action wherever necessary in order to improve the business performance. So using a robust the cloud accounting software system, the financial analyst can able to analyze accurately and tell a story through a data to the executives and other board members so that the board members and topmost executive can able to make some clear decision making process. So financial analytics, how it is helpful to the business. Now let us discuss about that. With the help of financial analytics, it can the analyze the chief executive officers and other senior managers and all the employees can able to understand, first of all, understand the business performance, how the business is performing, whether it is running in profit or whether it is running in loss. Okay, and this financial analytics will also helpful for the managers to forecast what are the variation or what are the deviation happening in the market, and finally which can influence the future of the business, because such a deviation, such a forecast, such variations which happens may sometimes influence the future of the business. So this financial analytics will be highly helpful for forecasting those deviation or those variation, and it can also able to make accurate decision faster, because it is predicting something which is dangerous to the company, which is dangerous, which creates some risk to the company. So definitely After knowing what are the risks that company may face in future, definitely uh, the managers can make some better decision faster. Okay, and then it will improve the business profit, and it can improve the business process. And finally, it can better financial analytics can better manage company investment, and it can also understand the performance of an organization. And finally, financial analytics can measure and manage the valuable, tangible and intangible asset. And finally, it will increase the functionalities of information system. And while talking about what can financial analytics can do, what can financial analytics can able to do. So some of these characteristics of financial analytics are better understanding of financial performance. So using financial and macroeconomic data for financial analysis, it will help the analyst and other board members and senior members to gain some insight about the business performance. Okay, how the business is performing, and manage their asset better. So the people can, all the higher authorities or higher officials can able to manage their asset and predict industry and able to market changes. Okay, and able to find out the changes that may happen in the market. And the second important characteristics of financial analytics is like it will be giving a clear insight about the financial status of the company or financial health of the organization. So using financial analytics will be highly helpful for improving the business profitability as well as the financial health. Definitely will be focuses on the business profitability. So while talking about financial health, I should definitely mention the concept of business profitability and also as well as the financial statement. Okay, so financial analytics will be highly helpful for getting or gaining some insight about the financial performance of the organization. And the next important concept to be discussed is effective risk management. Using advanced level of financial analytics can able to manage the risk that may happen in future. And finally, it will help the business to identify and address some risk in a good time in order to improve some process efficiently. Okay, so a business can use all the business information to focus their investment in the right areas. This kind of analysis, financial analytics, will be highly helpful for the business manager to take some decision in the right area by taking asset from areas that are dormant, then repositioning them where they will have the biggest impact financially. So product profitability analysis is another example for this, and which will allow the financial analyst to examine or thoroughly check the revenue analytics, which is related to client and sales channels and the some of the market segment that profit the business. Okay, and other important characteristics of financial analytics, it will definitely increase the financial transparency. Okay, definitely it will increase the financial transparency. As people make big decision regarding financial investment based on the available finance information, there can be no ignoring the importance of transparency in finance, because they make some decision only if everything is transparent, every financial data is transparent. Okay, so for using the financial analytics, it will help the manager financial analyst to monitor financial and business performance in order to ease the decision making process. And finally, it will provide the employees with a wide understanding about the financial performance of the organization. With this, I'm ending this session. Thank you, dear students.